Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix the Spotify stop playing tracks in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad and when you have opened your Spotify app to play tracks and facing the issue that your Spotify app is not playing songs or not playing tracks, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back and guys open your settings here. You need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have connected with 4G or 5G network. After doing this, you need to click on general and click on VPN and device management. If you have connected any VPN, you need to make sure that you have not connected with VPN. So guys, if you have connected it, simply you need to disconnect that VPN, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store in your iPhone, and here you need to search Spotify. So guys, you have to search this app here. Click on your Spotify app and you need to update your app if not updated. As you can see here, simply you have to update your app, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, I still not fix your problem. You have to open your settings again, general, iPhone storage, and after this you have to wait for some seconds. From here you need to find your Spotify app. So guys, when you have find it, click on Spotify and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your Spotify app again, and guys maybe there's login problem on your or any account problem. So guys, simply you have to log out your old account and log in new account in your Spotify app, and after this all the problems will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.